Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying basics that actually matter. Sign into the correct YouTube account and confirm two-factor is not blocking access. Once done, update the YouTube app or your browser and the device OS so versions match supported releases. Next, clear cache, cookies, or app data and reopen YouTube. Testing in incognito isolates extensions. These steps remove common authentication, caching, and version conflicts before you move to deeper fixes. Once the basics are done, dig into diagnostics. Disable extensions and VPNs because they alter requests and can break playback. Then test multiple quality levels like 360p and 1080p to spot bandwidth issues. Next, open YouTube Studio to inspect upload status, strikes, or monetization holds that stop features. Simultaneously run network checks for speed and packet loss, and try an alternate Wi-Fi or hotspot. To finish, reinstall the app or reset your browser profile so corrupted configs are cleared. Then re-authenticate and restore only necessary settings. If uploads or processing fail, re-encode the file using H.264 video and AAC audio in an MP4 container because format mismatches cause silent failures. Make sure to power cycle your modem and router and flush DNS to clear network caches. If problems persist, file a bug report with logs and timestamps. Support needs evidence to escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.